What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And after a week in Ocean City, Maryland, and another week in Florida with the family, we are back in the garage to announce all the winners of my Bangin Gears Garage giveaway videos I filmed when I was in Cruisin Ocean City 2025. So stick around. Alright everybody, welcome back to Bangin Gears Garage. We're going to announce all the winners in this video, but first I want to thank everybody who participated, watched the videos, made the comments, liked, shared them all out, who stopped me in the parking lot, said hi. You guys were all fantastic. I appreciate everybody. I hope you stick around. We're going to be dropping some shorts all this week. Probably for the next month. I got so much extra footage I didn't even put in the videos. And then we'll make a collaboration video with all the videos put together in one long official video that Cruisin Ocean City 2025 will share on their official site. So, with that being said, let's announce the winners for video number 1. Video number 1 was for a Bangin Gears hat. Your choice, either one like the baseball cap that I'm wearing or one like this knit cap right here. So, that being said, let's spin the wheel. Around she goes. And the winner is Wesley Cater, 7682. Wesley Cater, 7682. Congratulations, you're the winner of the hat. What you're going to do is you're going to shoot me an email at this address right here. And then let me know if you want the baseball cap or the knit cap. Choice is yours. Let me know. Both in stock. We'll send them out ASAP. Alright, video number 2 was filmed at the Twisted Rod show at the Pit and Pub. If you've never been, I think you should definitely go. It's a great show, huge show, small parking lot, fills up fast. If you're going to get there early. Video number 2 was for a Bangin Gears clock, like this one right here. Okay, and we'll spin that one right here. And the winner for the clock is going to be Spike 5.0. Spike 5.0, congratulations, you're the winner of the Bangin Gears clock. Again, just shoot me an email at this address and we'll get it out to you as soon as I possibly can. Alright, video number 3 was filmed at the Inlet because there was no convention center this year. The convention center will be back next year. Same dates as this year, but the convention center will be back. Alright, so video number 3 again was for another clock, just like this one right here. Alright, we'll spin the wheel. Around she goes. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And the winner of the Bangin Gears clock is, Wesley Cater again. Okay, so first of all, congratulations, Wesley, on winning the Bangin Gears clock. But now, he also won the hat of his choice in video number 1. This is why I say when I put the videos out that once you're subscribed to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, make sure you like and comment on all the videos I put out that week because you could win multiple things. So, Wesley won the hat, either the baseball cap or this, of his choice in video number 1, and Wesley just won the clock. Congratulations, Wesley. Alright, video number 4. Video number 4 was for a Bangin Gears hat, like the baseball cap I'm wearing, or the knit cap like this. Your choice, you let me know. Hopefully Wesley doesn't win again, because I'm pretty sure Wesley is registered for this video as well, because he liked and commented on video number 4, which was also filmed at the Inlet. But, so let's spin it, and hopefully somebody else wins. Let's find out. Alright. And here we go. Here we go. Winner is going to be Shop Girl 1911. Congratulations, Shop Girl 1911. You won the Bangin Gears hat of your choice, either the baseball cap like I'm wearing or the knit cap just like this. You let me know, shoot me an email, we'll confirm it's you, and we'll get it out this week. So congratulations to all the winners. I thank everybody who participated. Please stick around. We got a lot of cool stuff coming out. It's coming into car show season, so we'll be pumping out videos nonstop. All right, guys, thank you again. I appreciate you. Drive safe this summer, and we'll catch you right back here at the Bangin Gears Garage.